Hi, today I am going to give you a tutorial on how you can make your pictures way cool. You just need to go to this website. Then, you will need to log in. Don't worry, it would not ask for credit card or your money. It is free. Then, you need to select Edit option. First, add your image. After that, you need to highlight the area which you want to edit or make cool. Then, you will write whatever you would like to change in this photo. Get wild with your imagination, like, make me Iron Man. Click on Create. These all are the results. Click on Download, which one you like. Thank you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Also comment whatever you want. Take care.